Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. In case you're new to this channel, you are so welcome. So guys, for today's video, I'm here to give you an update about our house construction. And the purpose of this video, we are going to check out our window and the frame. So when I dropped my son to the school, I decided to drive to the work store or the workplace where the guy who is working on our window and door frames works from. And I'm here to see if he is doing a great job with our windows and door frames. And I would love you guys to join me so that we could go and see, or so that we could go and check out the work he's doing. We deposited like 6 million for the work to be done, and he told us to give him 3 weeks, then after those weeks the work will be done. But I was like, no, let me just go and I check on what he's doing so that would also give him more of the money. Okay guys, let us go and we see what they are doing, because right now I've parked in front of his workstation. Okay, let's go and we see the work they are doing or he's doing. So guys, we are here and this is his workstation. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Aben, mujeba leko. Renard yali watanatuuka. Ala n'omusajja oyo. So teyangambye ali mu kubajja. Mukubidde enkyali eri n'angamba mu dakiika 10 ngenda bba ntuuse. Daddy, tebirabika bubi. Tebirabika byolaba tebannaba bipolishinga, bivalishinga, biki tekuli kala. Naye olaba si bibi, eno erabika yeri gundi eya living room eno. Bandaba ye tu. Giraba. Giraba, Okay, kati eriye one slide bwete. So consider kokaba. Gambe mukozi omulimu. Binyemye. Kati bino byonna bye byawedde bibulako kuyunga buyunze. Bino byawedde bibulako kuyunga buyunze.
Kati bino byawedde bino.
Okay.
Bibulako just kuteekako bino ebyomuttaka. N'akasiba wano wansi wekasibira wali.
Kati nekyakyembuza, kati langi gwandaba bikyali bwe bityo. Mubiwawulako.
Tumala tusooka biwawula ne kitutula bulungi nga wano. Tulyoka tuteekako langi egendako.
Okay.
Neeno tusooka ne tufiiringako bulungi nga tegulabika bonna. Era woolaba kaneeno kabeera nga kali smooth.
Okay. Kati nekyaki njagala obuuza. Kali jankulaga eno side. Yani tulabe wano. Omunyolo nga mwagujjako guguno. Katrina ndi wala kafaananyi kwamperese kwaliko omunyolo nga kuliko akanyolo akalala akatali bwe kati kano kandabikira okuba nga kalabika kanafu.
Kano omunyolo eno
bagita batya eyo hando eyo
kati omunyolo
no eyo hando bwetyo si kufulu eyo hando kale nnungi naye kati eyo ngumu obadde ogera kuteerako etya bwetyo
nsobola okuteerako bwetyo oba ne tufuna endala
kati eriwo ennungi eyo ngumu
ennungi nnyo 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 wa payipu yayo ngumu y'amaanyi beera ngumu
kale tujja gene kati ne kufulu oba oginteerako bambangula bigule
ne kufulu njagikuteera
kwezo sente kale webale kale
madirisa gabadde bali butambuza n'embagala zaawo go zaawese
okay zamadinisa so guys this is the job the guys have done a very very good job they are doing a great job. We are loving everything of the work they are doing. So you see, that's the door for the dining, then the door for the living room, it's over there, then these are the windows. Katurona dia kuchi so kondageko erya dining egaze nnyo tebanadiko kati kaŋŋambe eryo woba otebereza liringa lyaki kuba ndiraba sirya dining sirya master bedroom ku bisenge by'abaana okay lyeka lino erya dining kwa ndaba ddene mama then okufa guys you see sorry that's the dining window you see how big it is kati ekyotude kibayita batya ye frame then buli obutimba ye bagala So guys, that's the dining window. You see how big it is. I have been told that's the frame. Then the bagala is there. That's the bagala. I'm so sure these things are going to be nice in case everything is finished. Wow. Mana ebinyumye. Daddy. Kati lino ly'eddinisa lya dining oliraba lya dining kati nga bataddemu bagala Ronald kozi njagala obuuza kati buno bugenda sigala bwe buti oba mwina bwe muteekako buno
buliwa
buno bwe buti buno busigala buti
era esigala nga bwe wogiraba
kwa wolo bwenalabe nga kuliko simanya bugundi bwa sanko si eyo yesigala bwetyo buba tebusala obwo
tebuba tebusala tubutereeza bulungi buba tebusala kale kati Ronald ogenda bomala mu bbanga ki wano ndi kutunda bakasoma bagenda kujja bakasoma bagenda kujja atusabe bajje bajja kujja omulimu mulungi oluggi lw'emmanjiro temunadukolako ndulabe kati oluggi lw'emmanjiro lweno denya ebbaati lyayo ly'eryambuzabuza lye wali olonze kati
nezino zaffe So guys, this is it. The guys have done a very very good job so far. I'm loving everything that I've seen. Yeah, I just can't wait to see how it's going to come up when they finish. So when they finish, we shall transport everything to the site. Guys, we stay in Gayaza, but the guy who is working on our windows and the frame, he stays, or his workplace is in Natete. Yeah, someone may ask why we decided to work with him, because he does a very good job, and this is not the first project of ours he has worked with. Ya muntu akola ebintu ebirungi kyova atwala essaawa eyo nayonna eyo ne tujja eno ewa Ronald yo yawo. Ronald wubirako ku bantu bange kajjambo. Ronald wubirako ku bantu bange kajjambo, mbagambye okola ebintu ebirungi. So guys, I'm leaving right now. So far I've seen the work is nice, and I've sent the pictures to Mr. So I'm so sure he is also going to love what the guys have done. You see, they haven't yet done the final touch, but so far everything looks so nice and cute. Yeah, so that's it. I will say goodbye for now. This has been just a short video of me letting you know, showing you what the guys have done so far, and this is the workplace. So guys, that's it. We are done with the checking out and the windows and the fronts. Yeah, so far I love what the guys have done. They have done a very good job. I'm so sure even Mr. will love the job. I've sent him the pictures, so let me hope he will love the work the same way I loved it. I just can't wait to see when the doors and the windows have been finished. For now they are still working on the frames and the burglars. So far not bad. I'm excited. I just can't wait to see these doors and windows. Guys, I'll say goodbye for now. So see you in my next video. Let me drive back to Gayaza. So I'm driving back to Gayaza. I love you. See you.